Hi friends, Alyssa here, disguised as an owl because I'm going to show you how to draw an owl today. Let's start with a paper and a drawing tool. Okay, so here's how we will draw our owl. I'm going to work in pen today so that you can see my drawing a little bit easier. I like to start with a thicker oval. Usually when we draw ovals, they're a little bit thinner than this, so it's kind of almost like a squash circle. So I start with that shape, and then I add these two little feather wisps. They almost look like horns. Then I'd like to add two big eyes, so just two big circles inside of our squash circle or oval, and then a beak. So I start by making a V shape right in between the eyes, and then I just close it off. And if you want, you can add two little holes for the owl's nostrils. Then I'm going to draw its irises and pupils. So, add another circle, and you can leave it like that if you want to, but I'm gonna add a pupil in there. It doesn't have to look like a realistic owl. This is going to be a little bit more cartoony and fun. And then I think what I'll do is add some lines inside the iris. Jazz it up a bit. Okay. Now I'm going to make a U shape right here underneath the head, okay? That's going to be the body of our owl. And then I'm going to add two like hook shapes here, little crescents, just like that for the feet. Now I'm going to go back into the inside of the U shape and add two curved lines on either side. Those will be our owl's wings. And then in here, in between the wings, I'm going to add some scale shapes. But they're not going to be scales, they're going to be feathers. You could add a different pattern if you would like. I just like to add this shape because I think it resembles feathers. And if we were drawing a fish, these would resemble scales. Okay, and maybe you want to add some patterns into your wings too. Now, underneath the feet here, I'm going to add two straight lines. So one here, and then another one above the straight line that I just made. And then our owl will overlap those two lines. This is going to be the branch that it's sitting on. I'm also going to add a moon, a crescent moon. Because owls are nocturnal, they'll be awake at night. And then you can add whatever else you'd like in the background and color them in, and, you know, make them nice and artistic. Okay. I decided to color my owl in with colorful pens and a background painted in watercolor. But you can decide to do this however you would like to. I hope you had fun following along with this video. Thanks for watching.